Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our journey together. Did you know the average American has less than $100,000 saved for retirement? That's not enough to last 20 or 30 years. Certainly not enough for comfort or freedom. This isn't to scare you, it's a wake-up call. Your future self depends on the choices you make today. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about control, security, and dignity. Procrastination is the enemy. Every day you wait, you make your future harder. So, what's your plan? Not having one is a plan to fail. Retirement planning can seem daunting, filled with complex jargon and confusing strategies. But let's demystify retirement planning. We're going to break it down into simple, understandable terms, so you can approach your future with confidence and clarity. Forget the complicated spreadsheets for now, let's focus on the core principles. At its core, it's simply putting money aside today. It's about consciously allocating a portion of your current income, no matter how small, towards securing your financial well-being in the years to come. Think of it as paying your future self first, for your future self. It's about ensuring you have the resources to live comfortably, pursue your passions, and enjoy the fruits of your labor when you decide to step away from the workforce. Think of it like planting a tree, a small seed with enormous potential. You nurture it over time, with consistent effort and care, and it grows into something strong and provides shade for years to come. Your retirement fund is similar. Consistent contributions, even small ones, compound over time, creating a substantial nest egg. The less you have to do later, the less pressure you'll feel to catch up, and the more freedom you'll have to make choices about your future. Time is your greatest ally. It allows your investments to grow, to weather market fluctuations, and to ultimately provide you with a secure financial foundation. Even if you're starting late, perhaps you've been focused on other priorities, retirement planning isn't about deprivation. It's not about sacrificing all your current joys and pleasures. It can mean big rewards tomorrow. These small adjustments accumulate over time, creating a significant impact on your long-term financial security and opening doors to a fulfilling retirement. Honor your hard work by building a future that's truly yours, a future where you can relax, pursue your passions, and enjoy the rewards of your dedication. Now let's look at the tools you'll need to navigate this journey, the resources that will empower you to make informed decisions and build a secure retirement. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our journey together. Here's where you build your financial fortress. Think of it as constructing a solid foundation for your future, brick by brick. Each financial decision you make contributes to the strength and stability of this fortress, protecting you from unforeseen circumstances and helping you achieve your long-term goals. It's about creating a secure and resilient financial life. This chapter is all about saving and investing. These are the two fundamental pillars upon which your financial security will stand. Understanding the difference between them, and how to effectively utilize both, is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial independence. Saving is primarily for emergencies and short-term goals. Think of it as your immediate safety net, providing a cushion for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. It's also ideal for saving up for a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. Investing, on the other hand, is for long-term growth. It's about putting your money to work, allowing it to grow over time and compound, ultimately helping you reach your more distant financial aspirations, like a comfortable retirement. When it comes to retirement, you absolutely must invest. Relying solely on savings will likely fall short of providing the financial security you need to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Saving alone simply won't beat inflation. The rising cost of goods and services erodes the purchasing power of your savings over time. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation and maintain your standard of living. A great place to start is with your workplace 401k plan. It's a convenient and often tax-advantaged way to save for retirement directly from your paycheck. Or a 403(b), particularly if your employer offers a matching contribution. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. Never, ever leave free money behind. It's like turning down a raise. Maximize your contributions to take full advantage of any employer match offered. Beyond your workplace retirement plan, consider opening an IRA or individual retirement account. This provides another avenue for saving for retirement with potential tax benefits. You have two main options: A traditional IRA, which offers a tax break now, reducing your taxable income in the present, or a Roth IRA, which provides tax-free withdrawals later in retirement. You pay taxes on your contributions now, but your earnings and withdrawals are tax-free in the future. For most individuals, especially those expecting to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, a Roth IRA is often the best bet for generating tax-free income when you need it most. Consistency is absolutely key. The power of compounding works best when you invest regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. Aim to invest regularly in low-cost, diversified funds such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Diversification helps to reduce risk by spreading your investments across a variety of assets. Compound growth over time is a powerful force. It's the snowball effect of earning returns on your initial investment, and then earning returns on those returns. This compounding effect is your secret weapon for building substantial wealth over the long term. It allows your money to grow exponentially, even with relatively small, consistent contributions. Don't try to time the market. Predicting short-term market movements is notoriously difficult, even for seasoned professionals. Instead, just keep investing consistently, regardless of whether the market is up or down. This strategy is known as dollar-cost averaging. Let time and discipline do the heavy lifting. By staying consistent and patient, you can harness the power of compounding and achieve your long-term financial goals. Budgeting for retirement means knowing what your life will actually cost. Don't assume your expenses will drop dramatically. Healthcare and travel can increase. Plan to need about 80% of your pre-retirement income. Healthcare is a wild card. Medicare isn't free and costs add up fast. Use a health savings account, HSA, if you can. It's triple tax advantaged. Taxes and inflation are invisible thieves. Diversify your accounts for flexibility. Your money must grow faster than inflation just to keep up. Think of your plan as a four-legged stool: savings, healthcare, taxes, and inflation. Ignore any leg, and your retirement becomes unstable. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our journey together. The biggest mistake? Waiting too long to start. Every year you delay, you make your goal harder to reach. Don't rely on Social Security. It's a supplement, not a solution. Ignoring inflation is another trap. Your money loses value over time. Don't cash out your 401k when you change jobs. Roll it over instead. Invest in assets that outpace inflation, like stocks and real estate. Avoid these pitfalls, and your future self will thank you. Keep your retirement money working for you, not against you. It's time for action. No more excuses. No matter your age or current financial situation, the power to change your future lies within your grasp. It's never too late to start building a better tomorrow. In your 30s, this is a crucial decade for establishing strong financial habits. You're likely earning more than you did in your 20s, and it's time to put that income to work. Automate savings. Set it and forget it. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your monthly routine by scheduling automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Invest aggressively, taking calculated risks to maximize your returns over the long term. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes to mitigate risk, and aim for 15% of your income. Make it a goal to consistently save and invest at least 15% of every paycheck. This may seem daunting, but it's a critical step towards building a secure financial future. In your 40s, you're likely juggling more responsibilities than ever before, from raising a family to managing a career. But it's essential to stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Supercharge savings. Now is the time to ramp up your savings efforts. Increase your contributions to retirement accounts and explore other investment opportunities. Review your plan. Take a close look at your current financial plan and make any necessary adjustments to ensure you're on track to meet your retirement goals. And don't put retirement on the back burner. Retirement may seem far off, but it's crucial to prioritize it now. The sooner you start planning, the better prepared you'll be. In your 50s, retirement is on the horizon, and it's time to solidify your financial foundation. Use catch-up contributions. Take advantage of catch-up contributions to boost your retirement savings. These allow individuals age 50 and over to contribute more to their retirement accounts. Protect what you've built. As you approach retirement, it's important to protect your assets from market volatility and other risks, and fine-tune your plan. Make any necessary adjustments to your retirement plan to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Never prioritize college savings over your own retirement. While it's admirable to want to help your children with college expenses, Your own financial security should come first. Consider a fee-only financial advisor. They can provide unbiased advice and guidance to help you achieve your financial goals. They're your financial personal trainer, helping you stay on track and make smart decisions. Educate yourself. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read, stay informed about the latest financial trends and strategies. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks to learn from experts and gain new insights, and use online tools. Take advantage of the many online resources available to help you manage your finances and track your progress. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Financial literacy is empowering. Knowledge is power. It's the foundation upon which you build a secure and prosperous future. Use it to your advantage. Put your knowledge into action and make smart financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. You have what it takes to succeed. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your financial goals. With dedication and perseverance, anything is possible. Take one small step today. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our journey together.